In this video, we will learn how to record and book evidence within the system. Evidence may be recorded and submitted either from within an investigation activity as the last item recorded, or as a standalone record which can subsequently be associated to an investigation record. For both methods of evidence recording, you will find conditional data elements to record depending upon the type of evidence which is being recorded. Navigate to the evidence creation screen from the left-hand side of the screen and select Create. The first option is to select the evidence type. Internal evidence is evidence that is within the agency chain of custody. These evidence items will be stored within agency storage locations and can be checked out and checked back in via the agency internal chain of custody process. External evidence is evidence that the agency is recording for tracking and reporting purposes, but is not retained within the agency chain of custody. These evidence items are not checked in or out. Creation type is used for record keeping and recording. Select internal evidence and select your creation type, then select alcohol as your evidence type. As you can see, the other evidence options will intelligently ask for additional information based on the evidence type which has been selected. Once you have entered the evidence details, click Save and you will be taken to the notation screen. Add a notation and click Add, then click Finish. Once the evidence has been recorded, it will be in a logged status indicating that the evidence has been recorded but has not yet been checked into evidence custody. When a piece of evidence is recorded within agency custody, the evidence item is tracked by the system and the chain of custody is managed by the evidence custodians. Find the piece of evidence recorded within the agency chain of custody which you created by searching for it from within the enforcement module. Open the evidence record. Here, you will see the data elements which you recorded when creating the evidence record in the system. You also see and may add new notes to the evidence record. You will also see the option to book the evidence item into agency custody. Again, note that evidence records recorded as being outside of agency custody will not have the option to book as it is not stored by the agency. Click the Book button. The evidence custodian will be able to locate the evidence item using the search function within the system's evidence. The evidence custodian may approve or reject the evidence item. At the point of approval, the evidence item should be physically in possession of the agency evidence custodian team. In this video, we learned how to record and book evidence items.